Meaning of febrile.
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 Febrile. The term febrile is an adjective that is commonly used in medical contexts to describe a condition that is associated with or characterized by fever. A febrile condition usually involves an elevated body temperature, which can be caused by various factors such as infections, inflammation, or other underlying medical conditions. The term can also be used more broadly to describe a state of agitation or excitement that is often associated with feverishness or hyperactivity. Overall, febrile describes a condition that involves fever and related symptoms, and it generally implies a sense of heightened physiological or emotional activity.